You would think that Navy SEALs and programmers have nothing in common, but there are a lot of similarities. 1. They need extensive training before they can deploy. 2. They need to make critical and impactful decisions under high pressure. 3. They need to be exceptional team players and form high-performance teams. Let me tell you about their training. Navy SEALs work really hard to complete their BUDS training. The success rate of that training is anywhere between 15 to 30%. It must be really tough. It is meant to weed out unsuitable candidates that might buckle under stress and prepare the SEALs both mentally and physically for the next stage of their training. It is considered as one of the toughest classes in the world. Software engineers, on the other hand, sometimes go through programming boot camps meant to prepare them for their real-world job. At their hardest, they are used to identify rough diamonds that with additional training can become superstars in the software engineering industry. For someone without any coding experience, they are extremely difficult, and candidates fall off like flies at every examination. At about 10 to 15%, the success rate of these kinds of boot camps is similar to the BUDS training Navy SEALs go through. Number 2. Both Navy SEALs and software engineers need to make difficult decisions in high-stress situations. Combat aside, Navy SEALs often go through extremely realistic simulations of real-world battles. Role plays of this kind are so real that their bodies and minds react like they are happening, and this puts the SEALs under a lot of pressure. At the same time, they need to recognize the situations, follow their training, and execute as a team to complete the scenarios. As far as developers are concerned, we all know what happens when there is a highly impactful production outage. Your adrenaline goes up, your thinking becomes clouded. Managers and customer support alike are asking for updates and a resolution timeline. It is up to you to fix the problem, and you don't know where to start. Find the problem. Identify the steps to secure the objective, and execute with high precision. Very much what Navy SEALs need to do. Number 3. Forming high-performance teams. When software engineers form a high-performance team, they have difficult conversations, brainstorm the best solutions, break down tasks between them, and get the job done. They know what is expected of them, and they deliver. The key to that is for the team to work together as a cohesive unit, and at the same time utilize the strengths of each and every team member. This is no easy task, and takes extraordinary ability to work together. Navy SEALs are, in fact, selected for their ability to work in a team. To pass the training program, they need to become extraordinary team players and always put the objectives of the group before their own. When people set aside their egos, they can perform exceptionally well as a team. You must be convinced by now that software engineers and Navy SEALs are more alike than they first appear. They are talented and highly qualified. They form the ability to make critical decisions in high-stress situations, and the best of them make exceptional team players. Now I wonder if any of you have completed both the BUDS training and a competitive coding boot camp. Let me know in the comments.